Hi everyone, this is EMP, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. So here we're looking at the ionospheric charging interval on February 26th at usual time this occurs, 0100 Universal Time, and this was a really big interval. As you can see, lots of black and white areas, which, as I've always pointed out, are extreme charging right off the scale. Scale only goes to down here to red or blue. So farther you get towards red or blue on both ends of the spectrum here are extreme charging, and then white would be right off the scale here, and black would be right off the scale here. And another thing I wanted to point out is people always ask which one is worse. Well, I would say that my theory anyways is that they're both right off the scale, but it would be due to dielectric permittivity and magnetic permeability, which usually you see both. So it's kind of like a chicken and egg scenario. I don't know which one came first. Well, either way you cut it, you're pretty much guaranteed to see the highest magnitude quakes of the day land in these zones. And the last few days we have seen elevated activity, South America, India, Nepal today, and Taiwan and Philippines today, and Japan the last couple days, which I've been forecasting these areas as a top priority watch zones. So jumping to the last 48-hour quake map, and that just really speaks for itself. So if you can see the elevated activity South America, and of course Japan and India, Nepal, and also near New Zealand, Vanuatu, largest quake of the day yesterday at 6:44 Universal Time, and that was magnitude 5.5. And jumping towards the gamma rays or dielectric discharging, you can see a huge spike there, discharged before the interval of ionosphere charging on the 26th here, so that's why it's really elevated charging going on there. So just before the Vanuatu earthquake, you can see two spikes there, one at about 5 and then the next at about 5:30 Universal Time, and then the quake was at just after that at 6:45. So looking at Beijing's magnetometer, you can see gamma rays. Gamma rays are measured. The neutron monitor there is in China, so you can see that magnetic disruption just after those dielectric discharges go off. And then Charter Towers, which is in Australia, one of the closest magnetometers to the Vanuatu earthquake, and you can see a definite peak there before and during the time of the quake. So and then jumping back to the gamma rays, you can see it's tapered down now on the 26th here, and the next interval, the 27th here, you can see it's calmed down a bit, but we still got some black and white zones, so really want to watch Hawaii, East Pacific rise, and Japan once again. Those would be the top priorities, and then secondary. We could almost put South America again in, it's kind of on the edge of being in priority 1 or 2 watch zones, but definitely watch Colombia and Brazil and the surrounding regions there, and then also Australia there as well. And we've been seeing this almost every day now in North America, the light blue, so that's the cumulative charging going on there, so put that in a secondary watch zone. And then Africa and Madagascar, you can see some moderate charging there as well. And one last thing, you can see that last 2 or 3 days, it's basically been the auroral electrojet, auroral electrojet index, which shows solar induction. You can see it's been really calm. So that's why I've really been pointing out we got to watch what the gamma rays are doing. And you can see at about 0800 the induction has picked up a little bit, but it's not breaching 500 nanoteslas, so nothing to write home about. But if you look at the times of the earthquakes, this is usually when the induction kicks in, the earthquakes drop on planet Earth. And that's about it for now. This is EMP, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes, signing off. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.